And the Holness, please. Your movie star flood out. See it them all smash up, sir. See it there. Send help. Send help. But your picture, save. Thank God. See it there, my boss. See it there. No.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox.
They say Jamaica is not a real place, you know, so I play that clip here with that woman and she look like she a big time JP. What's she name? Movie star. Look like she a big time JP, JLP. You understand? One of the JLP people, yeah man, cause you don't know, Andrew get one house, you know. Yeah man, Andrew Holness get one house out of the poor whatever program or whatsoever, you know? So, listen what she has said.
We need help. Alright, yeah, Andrew Holness, please. Send help, send help. Please. Thank you. Yeah, my boss. Well, I win that day, mash out of my house. Need little help on the water hype. The whole of my bed they gone. See it, me dear child. One movie star. You see green pro.
Yeah man, me I tell the people, yo, I joke. Yo, the woman full of green, you know. Yo, them people in the play, you know, me I tell you, you know.
See it there. See it there. But, and see it there, my boss picture is safe. See it there. And the Holness, please. Your movie star flood out. See it there, my house smash up, sir. See it there. Send help. Send help. But your picture, save. Thank God. See it there, my boss. See it there. No. See it there. No, me can't carry up. See it there. See it there, my boss. Me flood out. And my house smash up. One movie star need help. Look.
Yo, the woman make sure say, me know say she hold that picture there like baby, you know. The woman say the picture safe. All me I say, as your JLP supporter, you know, just hope say, yo, Andrew help you, you know. You understand? Hope so, cause it thing sticky right now. A lot of people out there need help. And me know say you're full of green and you have a pal picture. Yo, me I tell you, know, people. Andrew has some supporter there, you know. They eat, dream, sleep, Andrew, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Yeah, man. So, just hope that she get the help still. Yeah, man. Hope that she get the help, cause right now, well, right now you have other people out there, you know, where really need the help. Because you have people who have house where flatten. At least this house you kind of look alright. It's just the window them and thing and look of flooding inside, but to the majority of the house them will happen. It worse than this, so I don't know. Let's see how this are gonna play it out.
Everything there, so everything gone bad. Flood right out. Flood right out. One movie star. See it there. Me flood out, but still, me give thanks. I'm still glad for everybody we safe. But we need to help right now. Here, right away small and with the seat here. Come in. Thanks. I see me neighbor them there. Bob them. Soup man a wit on. Soup out a wit on. Soup mash up. Bob. See Bob ya. Bob me neighbor. We mash up. Soup out a wit on. Everybody know.
Yo, man, I still know that woman here kind of sound. I don't know. She sound kind of, you know, not 200, but, you know, as she say, Prime Minister, she need help. You get her vote, so, you know, try go, they go support her and thing, but right now it's a serious situation right now where a lot of people situation worse than this. Me see she full of green, she have a big Andrew picture in her house, cause you don't know, the house there Andrew get you know. Yeah man, Andrew Holness get man, cause you don't know, she famous in a little JLP world. If you wanna see it on the thumbnail, yeah man, then call her must a movie star, so we are gonna see if she go flick on the switch pan Andrew make him run down the fast. Boy, me think say would have reached down the cause enough of them house you give out, you know. So we are gonna see what go on people, cause to be honest, I tell people, you know, you might get a house, but when something do it that if you can maintain to fix it or what. So I just one of them things the way you have got to just try sort out yourself, cause people out there right now we're worse in a worse situation when I no house. At least you still have shelter over your head. Yeah, but me know say you're a JLP supporter, but it things sticky right now. But listen what I go on.
Bob, See it, I'm in neighbor, I mash up. See it there, see it there. See Bob house here. Everybody, I ask Bob live here. Send help, we send help. Come in. We need more help. See it, it will we mash up here. So here, we need help, please. We no...
So wait there. So how you get out so Andrew no live so close? Eh? And Bob no get one of them wall house where you get our go on. Bob should have one wall house and decking like you, man. So how your house looks so pretty? What Andrew give you? And Bob no get none? How Bob must have PNP then, make him not get none. Eh? Bob must have PNP, make him not get none. Cause look on Bob house right now, and right now maybe over your house, Bob there. You understand? Cause you can't Bob the builder and Bob no get one house and Andrew too. Are your neighbor? Andrew should have just line off all out this with house. Everybody. But I guess because you have up in picture in the house and you're #1 top supporter and you know? Cause everything in Jamaica a politics thing and everything, you know. I always tell people, you know, no for them house where you see give out, you know. Yeah man, you don't know. MP them, you have to be one of them if you even get them house, yeah. I tell you. You feel like you cannot rep orange and get house. You can't rep orange and get house. Yeah, mad. Yeah, man. So if a PNP in power, you're not going to get that either. If you have big JLP, but I know so if you go still, everybody forget once them in need of the house and thing. I feel like everybody forget it. But that's how the situation set. But so I go on.
Sita. Bob. Sita, I swoop on this. See, Bob, everybody know you. I'm a neighbor this Prime Minister. We need help. When you come in, see.
Yo. Yo. Swoop man, I said, yo, I want to the woman, man, so she alright? I want to come show camera in my face, like. But as I say, it look like she not 200 still, but yeah, she need, as you say, Andrew must see video, you know, I'm going to pick up film people, let me know. Yeah, man, he must see video, man. Maybe I'll win that put in already and everything I start out already for her to car. Yo, at first house, me see, have up a big green and Andrew picture in it and all of them little thing. Me not even see kids them picture. I just Andrew. Yeah, man, Andrew, I God, man. Yeah, man, but soup in a look. Alright, with where she go on or how she go on right now. Yeah, man, car. As me say, she alone get the house, you know. Yeah, man, she get the house, man. So, and Bob not get it, soup not get it either. So, Jano. But look what I go on.
Send help. Send help. Kim, we need help. Alright, yeah, Andrew Holness, please. Send help. Please. Thank you. Yeah, my boss.
Yo, yes, and your boss.
Yeah, man. May I tell you. Yo, right now, Jamaica in a place right now, people. May I tell you, say, yo, everybody need help right now. May I tell you, right now, I don't know how Andrew them I go deal with this. May I tell you this, I'm first task so I'm going to deal with. Cause COVID was there, but COVID is not really nothing. And no, yo, cause enough people, about 600,000 house affected, you know. And enough of them people, especially in St. Elizabeth and some part of Westmoreland, you know. You understand? And a gold spoon mouth people, you know. And a gold spoon mouth people, them. So, I don't know how some of them house I got. I tell you because some of the house them, I forgot just left this so. And the people don't forgot relocate because where the house them build is per riverbed. River usually run through them places. Them places are regular places flood out. But through the drought and over the years now and the place get dry up. Some of them go build like plywood house or board house on the land. Or go put up one little piece of concrete. I never know say look here. That water where I go forward I go take back its course. So they make a wrong investment. And right now, remember you know Christmas have hard up, you know. Enough little people don't really have money like that. You know, cause things gone sky high right now. So, I don't know. So, she asks a little thing right now. The amount of people who need help, at least you have your house. Because look on the house, the people. It deck. I just want to look at window damage and nothing major now to that, you know. You have house and on a roof. You have house where you look, you know, there no more. You understand? So, She can, you are right. Me I tell you. So you talk about Angie, amount of people are call Angie names so they need help right now. Your house alright. Right now, if you people them in Jamaica with house damage, if them they have your house at your at that stage right now, them nice, them happy. Me I tell you because look here, a simple thing for just pay someone to put in some fresh wind and sweep out and that. If I say Jamaican people them with also damage and flat and everything they look, them would have alright. But right now, people you have some house that they will all pitney night where none them now live now, them are roam about the place, all of these things. So your house, me understand say you're JLP #1 top supporter, but your house alright. It alright to me. Cause you have some house when you look up, nothing not there. A sky. Me I tell you that. And right now when you look around, nothing not there either. When you look on the ground, all you see are just the base. Where you usually walk on. Everything else gone. When you look, zinc hen up. For your zinc can fly from St. Elizabeth go we are Westmoreland. You understand where you go find back them the zinc there. Or it in a Moby or it reach a Chilani. So me I tell the people, if your house alright, I know say Andrew gear it, but she have your house alright right now to some people. You see me? But true me see like she have your Andrew picture them in there and thing. But I don't know if Andrew gonna really pre you right now, cause him have a lot for deal with. I don't want to beat them when him getting a neck back right now. Cause the people them a cry out in a crisis right now, so but just rate say the people them support the people them and people them for stop thief the goods them or for give the people them, man. And that man I like, man. Jamaica people them need help right now. Remember, people before the hurricane, enough people did that suffer, I treat not depend on the media like how everything depend on the media now, Me I tell you, enough people, especially in St. Elizabeth and some part in Westmoreland, like the country area them, enough people are suffer right now. Enough of them I know them start to get little eatings because back then when nobody never walk and help them, me I tell you, them never really are getting much for eating and now them start eat little food, but only thing, them now in a house to live in. I just that are the difference. But at least them might eat something. And me have to big up the artists them and the people them who are supporting the diaspora and who internationally where I look out for the people them, the top star them, the celebrity them, everything, the movie actor them, everybody. We have to big them up people. Them never did have to do it, And for them responsibility of the government, but them have a good heart and a good will for forward out and say, yo, we're going to support the Jamaican people, them need it, we're going to be there for them help. You understand? But people who don't know, yeah man, a media facts man, bless up on yourself, know a thing said. That is it.